You just spent an hour wiring up a brand new Shelly 1PM Gen 3 behind your wall switch, or any of these switches here. And you button everything up, screw up the faceplate back on, and then you notice it. Flipping the switch down turns the light on. Flipping it up turns the light off, and it's upside down. So before you grab your screwdriver to take the whole thing apart and flip the wires around, stop. You can fix this in exactly 3 steps on your phone. So the thing that you have to do is just to go to the settings. So first of all, go to the Shelly app and select your device. So I'm using this Shelly 1PM right now, and because I used it before for a testing purpose and the other videos, so I'll just continue working on. But you can do that with any of these switches from the Shelly. So it's the same configuration. So I'm selecting this 1PM here. And now just go to the settings, and then in the settings, go to the device settings. Okay, and then we have an option invert switch. When you click on this invert switch, so we can see that it's disabled right now. We're enabled it, and go back. It automatically saves. So now when I go down, it does nothing, but up is turning it on, off, on. So, and just like that, the digital brain of the Gen 3 flips its logic. So up is always on and down is now off. And your physical wiring mistake is corrected instantly over the air. So no tools required. And if you want more quick, lazy, smart home fixes that save your time, hit that follow button. Let me know in the comments if this just saved your weekend. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.